Hello, my dear ladies! Welcome back to my channel. My name is Natalia. I'm an expert coach on that lifestyle, personal development, sports, fitness, and attraction. I run an online women's only academy, Secret of Allure, where I teach my students everything a woman should do to transfer herself internally and externally. With this transformation, a woman also gains the ability to attract high caliber men for long-lasting, rewarding relationships. Just visit www.secretofallure.com. Today we will talk about how not to pose as an elegant woman. And an elegant woman will never strike the following poses: by bending so as to overemphasize her behind, like stripper do. This is not a pose suitable for an elegant woman. And an elegant woman knows that this pose will never attract a serious guy, because she is smart enough to know that the high caliber women attract high caliber men. So girls, please never pose like a stripper if you really want to that $1 million look. Number 2, with a hunched back. Have you ever noticed how a beautiful woman wearing a nice dress does not look attractive in a hunched position? However, a less attractive woman with a nice, confident posture still exudes an aura of femininity and elegance. The secret is body language, ladies, so always be mindful of your back's posture when posing. Number 3, a manly pose. If women strike a manly pose, it signals that she has an independent, masculine, tough character. Men usually don't want this kind of character in a sexual way. So stop being a masculine woman and embrace your naturally ingrained femininity. That's what men truly seek in a woman. Otherwise, you will risk being perceived as a friend, business partner, or worse, a nightstand. Use your femininity and sensuality to dominate a man and succeed in their world. Similar to Cleopatra or Maria Antoinette, famous women who changed their course of the world with the power of their femininity and subjugation of men's will. Okay, now you have a basic understanding of how not to pose, but how does an elegant woman pose and act exactly? And how does she transform her inner self and internal appearance to bring out those feminine behaviors we discussed? This is on my live-tested transformative techniques and methods I teach my students at my online course Walk and Pose Like a Diva. To learn more, click here www.secretofallure.com. And see you at my next video. What is not damned sexy for a man? See you there, girls.